How to add Ethereum on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issues to add Ethereum to your Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now just simply tap on the receive button, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Tap on receive. After you click on receive, now just simply tap on Ethereum or you can search it from your search bar. Now select Ethereum. After you click on Ethereum, your unique Ethereum wallet address and QR code will appear. You can copy the address or share the QR code with sending you it. If you're transferring from exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, just copy and paste your Zengo ETH address when withdrawing from that platform. Zengo supports standard Ethereum address, so make sure you are only sending ETH through the Ethereum network ERC20, not Binance Smart Chain or other chains. Sending through the wrong network might result in permanent loss. Once the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, your Ethereum will appear on your Zengo balance. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to add Ethereum on Zengo wallet. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.